What's up, y'all? It's Drummer 828, and I'm back with another moto vlog. Just kind of want to talk about what's been going on lately. Been kind of documenting some of the adventures I've been on, and you know, a couple days ago I went out with the guy that actually owns this bike that I'm riding now. I took my Suzuki Boulevard and rode with him, and we went out. And he didn't really tell me, he gave me a general idea of where we were going, but didn't tell me exactly where we were going. I didn't know we'd be, you got us driving on dirt! And I wish he had been more exact, because it involved a dirt road, a long dirt road, off-road, and on a cruiser bike. That's not something I'm trying to do. I've done it before on the Suzuki, and it was a little rough, and I almost fell. And going on a dirt road again on a road bike, a cruiser bike, I'm not particularly thrilled about doing that. And we got a cop there just waiting on somebody to speed by. He's been there for a little while. He was there when I went by the other direction. But anyway, yeah, we end up going down these dirt roads. I was so pissed. Did you? These aren't made for dirt. Fade away. God, stupid. He's going down. Jeez, this is getting rough. Fucking dumbass, man. God dang it. Kidding me. So not only did I deal with that mess, but a few days before that, I was riding around on this bike, just minding my own business, regular day of just riding around, you know, nothing new. And out of nowhere, I had this old couple pull right out in front of me, scared the crap out of me. You dumb motherfucker. What are you thinking, man? You almost killed me. And you know, you could tell the old man, he looked pretty remorseful. He was saying, I'm sorry. And at that point, there's really no need to continue yelling or making a big deal about it. Yes, he almost took my life, but I gotta get over it. You know, if you're sorry, if it's a mistake, there's only so far you can take it. Unless they're not remorseful at all, that's when you really just give them a hard time. But that guy was incredibly apologetic immediately, and I don't know, hopefully he learned his lesson, you know. Hopefully he'll be paying attention before he pulls out onto a road again. But yeah, that was a close call for me. One of the closest calls. I've had one that was closer that I didn't have on tape, that I didn't have on video. Man, I just dated myself. And man, I wish I had that on video, because in that incident, it was not too long after I had bought the Suzuki Boulevard. This is like 5 years ago. And I had the person in front of me slam on brakes and come to a stop. And in order for me to try to like stop in time to not hit them, I slammed on my brakes, locked up both wheels, ended up skid stopping my motorcycle like a little kid does a bicycle. Like, you know, on those bicycles where you can just kind of like pedal backwards and hit the brakes. And as a kid, you'd hit the brakes, you do that backwards thing, and then slide your back in, out forward, and kind of end with the bike sideways at like a 90-degree angle of where it started. Yeah, that's what I did on my Suzuki Boulevard motorcycle. And I didn't even have it on tape. I didn't drop it. It was crazy. I can't believe I'd done that on a bike. Just blew my mind. There's a bunch of people out today. It's a beautiful day to ride, so I'm not surprised, really. Look at all these people running the red lights. What an idiot. Somebody's gonna die out here, and I hope it's not me. But anyway, I guess close calls come with the territory when you're on a motorcycle. Something you gotta get used to. Something I'm still trying to get used to, but I will say I've never been more alert while operating a motor vehicle as when I am on a motorcycle. I mean, your senses just kind of spike because you don't have a choice. If you're not paying attention, you will get hurt. I know I got some other riders that are subscribers of mine. I'm actually pretty curious. What's y'all's closest encounter with an accident? Or worst accident? I'd like to know. Let me know in the comments down below. Or if you want to make a video and then link it in the comments down below. And I'll make sure that it's not marked as spam. Anyway, that's all I got for now. It's good talking to y'all. Thanks for keeping up with me. Be sure to hit that like button. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. And hit that notification bell because, I don't know. If you don't, bad things happen, I guess. I have no idea why you should. Alright, y'all. Have a good one. Peace. Hey, this is Drummer828. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It really helps the video survive on YouTube. Also, subscribe to keep up with the channel. And turn on the notification bell to instantly find out about new videos. I make music, motovlogs, comedy, live streams, and anything else I feel like doing.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0.
Now, before I go, I want to take a minute to welcome the new subscribers to the channel. And last but definitely not least, I'd like to give a special shout out to the YouTuber Reemsy, who supports this channel every month through Patreon. Thank you, Reemsy. It really means a lot, man.